So fractions are one of the most important concepts and one of the most difficult concepts for people to wrap their head around. So it's really important that we use pictures, and this will really help us when we try to order fractions. So I have 4 pictures here for you to compare. This one is 2/3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one is 3/12. This is 3/4. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 5/6. Now, if we just only looked at the fractions, it's very difficult to actually tell immediately, unless you have a lot of experience with fractions, which ones are bigger. But when we line them all up, it makes it really, really clear, and they draw the pictures out so that they're the same size and we can compare. So obviously, if I look at 5/6, 5/6 is bigger, okay, because it has a bigger shaded area. So if I was going to write these in order from the largest one to the smallest one using our greater than symbol, okay, so I'd write 5/6 is greater than, and then the next one, if I just move over, this one obviously has a bigger shaded area, so that would be 3/4, and 3/4 would be greater than, and then the next one would be 2/3, and then the next one, 2/3 is greater than 3/12. What a lot of people do, and one of the biggest mistakes that happens with fractions, okay, is kids will either, or people in general, will either look at this number or this number and decide which one is bigger, okay? And that actually isn't the case. This is how many parts it's being divided into, so it actually makes the same object be cut into more pieces, and this is how many are shaded. So obviously this doesn't actually tell us what the biggest number is. If we are looking down here, this is something else that I want to show you. So we're either going to say that this is greater than, less than, or equal to. And so meaning that this side is the same as this side. So for comparing these two fractions, I have 2/3 colored in, and I have 4/6 colored in. And if I were to write 2/3 in here and 4/6, if I'm just asking about the shaded area, okay, these fractions are actually equal to each other because the same amount is shaded in. You've got some new fraction strips to compare, so make sure you have a look at those.